I think outside of NASCAR, the Chili Bowl definitely is one of the most sought after trophies for a lot of guys. For the last 2 years, I've been going there as a car owner. I enjoy working on those cars as much as I enjoy racing them. I'm not afraid to get my hands dirty, and I've built the whole car from chassis to body to everything on it. We pretty much build all our own stuff for those cars. And I mean, even during the race season, I'm in my shop at night working on the Chili Bowl car. Midget racing in general is a lot of fun. Those cars are really unique and they haven't changed much in a long time. You know, there's a lot of room for innovation. You can kind of do what you want, especially at Chili Bowl, there's no rules. And on top of that, it's really hard to go there and be successful not racing those cars all year. So I really enjoy having somebody like CJ in the car, and he's really, really good, and he's gonna run way better than if I would have driven it. So it's a really satisfying feeling to build something that you're proud of, and I've just always really enjoyed that.